pressure there, or are you all girls excited to play at home?
Well, yeah, I mean, this World Cup is going to happen after 12 years, but no pressure at all. We all are, looking really well. The practice games we played, we tried, try to tick all the boxes. So we all are very excited that we are getting this opportunity playing World Cup in home conditions. So I think nothing more we can ask as a cricketers.
Yeah. Yeah. We have seen that in England and some other places, they have used 3 to 4 spinners. Do you think you will continue that strategy since it has paid dividends, or you will opt for an additional pace bowler?
Well, spinners are always been our biggest strength. They were always there when team needed, and no doubt whenever we shown more trust on them, they always done well for the team. But today we have practice session. We'll see how the pitch is behaving and conditions and everything. Then accordingly we'll decide like who we have to pick in playing 11.
Yes.
Hi Herman, a World Cup, but it's all seems a little new in that sense. You haven't played at this venue or even some of the other venues that will host games. How do you prepare for the unknown, and in a bigger picture, what comes to your mind about this specific World Cup? Because you've played a lot, but this yet seems different.
Yeah, no doubt it's a quite new venue for us. But in India, many stadiums have very similar feel, similar pitches, and we have played a lot of cricket in India. But for us, we are taking as an opportunity. We always wanted to host ICC event where we can do well, we can enjoy the conditions and the playing front of home crowd. So I think entire team is very excited. We are really looking forward. We have been playing good cricket, and now it's the only time where we can keep ourselves in the positive place and enjoy our cricket.
Yes.
Just to add to what Suresh is asking, India played 320s in 3 T20s in Guwahati, but you were not part of that squad, I think.
Yeah.
You had an ankle injury or something.
Yeah.
What is your feeling about Guwahati as a city? Have you been here to play domestic cricket? Do you have any experience of playing here? And just another question, fitness update if you can. Is everyone aware of this?
Well, yeah, I mean, we played in 2019, if I'm not wrong, 3 T20s here. But that time I wasn't there. I was injured. But those were day games, and now we are playing day and night. And I'm sure after so many years, conditions must have changed what we played that time. But as I mentioned, because we have seen so much cricket on TV, that Indian conditions always remain same. The only thing is which we have to keep in mind, that is the dew factor, because that we have to access how dew factor is going to be, because of the weather and everything, lights will be on. So I think some things we have in our mind to access how things will be tomorrow. And as you asked, second thing was the fitness. All are fit, all are looking in good shape, and looking forward for tomorrow's match.
Yeah.
फैंस से क्या एक्सपेक्टेशंस है, कितने फैंस आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं कि इस क्रिकेट को कितने फैंस मिल रहे हैं, कितना टैलेंट मिलना चाहिए, और टीम को लेकर स्ट्रेटजी क्या है कि दो मीडियम फास्ट बॉलर देने का क्या फिट है टीम के लिए?
Well, I think past 3-4 years we have seen packed stadiums whenever we played in home conditions. So I think fans की तरफ से तो we don't think we have faced anything that they didn't come to watch us whenever we played. Not only in India, even if we are playing even outside India, they are coming and supporting us. And I think they've been outstanding. They've been supporting us all the time, no matter what the performers are. They're always coming and cheering us. So I think home conditions and home World Cup is always very special, and I am sure they are going to come here and support us throughout the tournament. And hopefully this World Cup will even more special for both of us. We both, as a team and as a fan, I think will try to create a special memory for both sides.
Yeah.
Harmanpreet, good luck in the World Cup. I just want to know how much has the environment in the dressing room changed since the the last ICC event, and what areas do you think the team has grown in, since maybe the last ICC?
Well, I think we played more ODI cricket for sure after the last ICC T20 World Cup, and all these matches, I think, if I'm not wrong, we won most of the games, and I think that definitely given us a lot of confidence to do well in ODI cricket, because our team has always done well whenever we played ODI cricket. We have now a lot of experience. This group played together for so many years, so I think the team roles, many things are clear. If I talk about batting order or bowling department, I think everybody knows their role very well. I think that is something which, as a captain, I always think that whoever is in the team, they should know their role. They should know when they are going to perform for the team. I think the clarity is there, and as a team, I think we have created so many magic moments for women's cricket that has definitely given us a lot of confidence to do well in ODI cricket also.
Last week, yeah.
I have done all the very best for the World Cup. Arman, आपने पिछले दोनों जो इंडिया में वर्ल्ड कप हुए थे 2013 में 2016 में दोनों आपने खेले थे, एक प्लेयर की नज़रों से बताइए क्या बदला है, कितना बदला है, आप एक प्लेयर की पर्सपेक्टिव से?
एक तो आई थिंक पहले 5 फील्डर बाहर होते थे, अभी 4 हो गए हैं, और उसके बिना नाउ वी आर प्लेइंग इन बिगर स्टेडियम्स. लास्ट टाइम हम CCI में खेले थे, बट अभी बिग स्टेडियम्स में खेल रहे हैं, एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट आई थिंक दैट टाइम ऑल्सो स्टेडियम्स पर पैक, फैन बहुत आए थे. उन्होंने हमेशा, जैसे मैंने पहले मेंशन करा, एवरी टाइम दे हैव कम एंड सपोर्ट अस. सो और उसके बिना इफ़ आई हैव टू हैव नाउ मेनी टाइम वी हैव हिट मोर देन 300 रन्स ऑन द बोर्ड, जो पहले बहुत नॉर्मली नहीं होता था. और बहुत फ्यू मोमेंट्स होते थे यहाँ पर टीम इज़ हिटिंग बिग स्कोर्स ऑन द बोर्ड. सो आई थिंक बहुत सारी चेंजेस तो है. लाइक इफ़ आई स्टार्ट, आई थिंक रात निकल जाएगी, बट आई थिंक इन अ शॉर्ट नोट आई थिंक बहुत सारे पॉजिटिव है. दैट इज़ समथिंग विच इज़ गोइंग टू गिव अस लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस नाउ व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू प्ले.
इंडिया और श्रीलंका होस्ट कर रहे हैं, मतलब श्रीलंका की कैप्टन ने भी कहा कि वो चाहती है कि इस बार कोई एशियन जो टीम है वो चैंपियन बने, और एशिया में इंडिया स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट टीम. आपको लगता है कि इंडिया का बेस्ट चांस है वर्ल्ड चैंपियन?
I mean, chance तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा है, to be honest, because I'm not just saying because we are going to, we have advantage of playing in home, but the amount of cricket we have played and the results we have got in last, a couple of years, I think that shows we have, a depth in our game, whether it's batting or bowling. We have, improved a lot of areas, so I think chances are there, but I think tomorrow is our first game. Our main focus is on tomorrow's game and setting the tone for us. That is something we are really looking forward, and hopefully we'll keep playing our good cricket the way we have played in past 1.5 years, and hopefully we'll not take any pressure. We'll keep enjoying the way we have enjoyed last time whenever we got the opportunity, and I think those things are important, and other just thinking too many things. But I mean, it's a very exciting tournament for us, and I just want all of us to stay in a very positive frame of mind where we can give our best.
Last two, yeah.
I want to ask about our local girl, Masaki. She has been working as a replacement in the team. She knows about the Boshamara Stadium of conditions.
Can you please be a little louder? Sorry.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, no.
I want to ask about Masaki. She has been brought in the Indian team as a replacement.
Yeah.
She knows about the Boshamara Stadium and the conditions here. Is there any chance of getting her in the first match or the inauguration match, and in the future also in the World Cup, as she has been replaced in the team, as she might get a chance in this World Cup?
See, it's an advantage that we have one local girl who can help us with the conditions, as we haven't played much cricket here. But right now I don't think it's the right time to reveal our playing 11. But in the last 2 practice matches she has shown the caliber she has, and she batted beautifully in both the innings. She is someone who is equally important in our team. But I mean, she looks ready. If she get opportunity, I'm sure she will definitely give 100%.
Final one.
Hi Raman, all the best for the World Cup. This is your first World Cup as a ODI World Cup as a captain. So how is it different as a captain from T20 World Cup? Your mission, vision, and thoughts. How is it different?
Look, I've been leading from so many years now, especially in the World Cups, in T20 World Cups. This is my first opportunity where I'm going to lead ODI side also. So I do have experience like how things work in, especially in ICC events. But yeah, I think it was one of my dream to lead my team in ODI World Cup. So I have got this opportunity, and I hope me and my team both give our best to to win this World Cup. Yeah.